Okay, I'm back. Back. Why is it going so shit? I'm back. And as you know, I'm just trying see if I can make it for the bloggership. So guess what? I tried to co-host myself. This is me in Amsterdam. Big up yourself. Thank you very much for the love and support that's coming forward. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am underscore Ricardo 123. That's I am underscore Ricardo 123. Bless up. Hope you enjoyed this video, though it's not much, but next videos, next countries will be better. All right, as we go along. Big up yourself. This was my trip to Amsterdam. Get that right now. See, right now is about upstairs to departure. Yeah, I'm up here still. Don't know, we're here. And now we're at Central. Central, so I need to get upstairs of Central to get a ticket, quick to get the next train. We have less than 5 minutes. It is upstairs.
Walk us and make us some more. One golf. Sometimes no matter what you do in life, you know, doesn't matter how much good you do, just one bad can overdo everything, yeah? But if I hold your hands, will you hold mine together?
Centraal station Eindhoven. Deze lijn overstappen op metro 62 tram, bus, streekvervoer.
What? Central Station. Yes, I'm making way out again. I'm waiting for Central Station. Movements in Amsterdam, trams, bus, train, you got it all. And bicycles. You got it all. Done now. Traffic. Anyway, I'm here at the metro station trying to go somewhere else. You know what I mean? So, you know, I'm traveling Amsterdam on my ones. See me? Yeah, so I need to get train number 51. Route 51. Metro 51 to where's this one? 51. Okay. Must be. Okay. Yeah, I'm walking up. Yeah, I come off the train already and I'm walking that long stretch. It says 15 minutes. You have drink at the studio? You have drink at the studio, yeah? Yeah, you can walk past every shop, man. There's two other another place too. You don't know. Yeah, we're there. Oh. There, you know, Amsterdam. Different part. Yeah, what's you know? Max make some more there the way to Amsterdam. On the other side of Amsterdam, but most of you don't see it, isn't it? Right now, man, on my way to a studio. Don't know. Connection and it works, you know what I mean? We're gonna stay one place. Jump back. Look at. You're there, see there? As me I say. As me I say.
Yeah.
There, you see me?
Don't
know. All the way. Alright.
Amsterdam.
Alright, you don't know. So we're there. And I know chattings. Look at that. Oh. So we are there, I go through, you see me? Alright, and this brother I'm come to see inside, you know. You see it? Yeah, I just right up on it. Yeah. See it there? Up. We're there, man.
We there.
Yeah. Central Station and I need to get my ticket to go to. I need to find out where I'm going first and then buy me a ticket to get there. Alright. Now this is where I go out in the street of Amsterdam. People are so fear this time. People are so fear Palestine. See. This is what's going on in the streets of Amsterdam right now. People don't cry free Palestine. See, so you can see it. People going everywhere. They're out. You never know so much people there cry for free Palestine right now. But it's in. Don't know. I have to find myself a location at the train station and all this. Up.
Everywhere around the world right now, people are from mercy. Down to the war. See, down to the war and cry. See it.
Max the next summer one, I think being here in Amsterdam, yeah. So it can be rain. It can be rain. Alright, so I'm going to train station. Now, I left the riots still going. Marching. For the final. Straight. You know, one of the things being here in Amsterdam is square again. Amsterdam Square, the city, you're done now. You've been here before, you know it, you're done now. If you haven't, then, you know, done now. See it? Ma che sono che siamo there. Amsterdam. From one location to another. You see it, so you don't know. I forgot the journey, you know. So, big up on bridging, don't know the G. Then, was student evening. I was hoping student time will be anytime soon. You get me, so we're there still, I don't know. Just a wait on that call, so I'm next step now to get some food. Not the crane here. See it. Just at a stop of a cafe, obviously. So, watch it pre. We're out here, you know. That is it. See it there now. All the way in a dam, you know. Corners to corners. Water. You see me? Don't know. Be walking. Straight cross again and go cross again and go cross again. And will up across again, you see me? But yeah, we out here. You see it, the music, everything done now. Oh, let's make it simple. No, one more, not tree. see anything again. Journey in Amsterdam, man. Gonna beat another brethren, so jump on a train. Done. So you're going to self-travel, something self-travel. Taking time to yourself. You see? You build up on yourself. Make a similar walk one. Don't know. It's all about on the road again. You know what I mean? Big up everyone who take on the road when you have to. Don't know. We're back in the city of Amsterdam. You don't know what it's all about. We're there up on the road, taking life easy. It's raining, but you know, it rain and stop, but you know what I mean? It's cool to have a second where there's no one bothering you. I think, you know what I mean? I'm around these strangers. So I'm just, you know, going through. Right now I'm at the train station waiting for the train. You get me? Train soon be here. So when it comes, I'll be almost big up. Done now. Make a more. See it? Up, up. Yeah, here in Amsterdam. Done with there, see? Yeah, we're there again. There another part of the world again. Don't know. But it's somewhere we've been before, you know what I mean? But this time we are trying to experience some different traveling right now. I come out here and say, yo, jump on the train, see me say, and take a ride out. So you don't know. It's all about Amsterdam. Is it? Don't know. Triple X country. Is it? But anyway, we're there and place clean and station clean. Everywhere about there clean. Train station. Clean. And this is where we are. Madison. Yeah, don't know. We were here as usual. There's a stop. Next one does. Don't know. We are here still. Different country, different part of the world. Money. What's an hour away from you?
Looking hot, baby.
On the walk here again, I'm going to do the sky again on the night, yeah? Alright, you know I go up Gaza.